I'm gonna start the right side. You get N2. Then I'm gonna put it back in idle. You get boost pump on, ignition on, rotation. You're looking for the ITT no more than 1,000. If it reaches 1,000, we gotta shut it down.
Is that temperature gauge?
Yeah, ITT, yeah. Gotta get start.
All right, and that was the right. That's it.
Yeah. Check your hydraulic. Make sure you got good hydraulics. I think I'll start it with the start the left. At 12%, we bring it to idle. Ignition, fuel pump. And we bring the ITT.
We're 4 Kilo Romeo, just taxi up 2 will short of Alpha. Sorry about that. We'll hold short of Alpha.
That's it.
Wow. That was so simple.
Pretty easy, huh?
What the heck? I go through a longer checklist.
Right.